Now I am going to tap into the border radius and write border radius.o. Let's give it a radius of radius.circular, within which we can give it a value of 10.0. We should reload it and see how it looks. So this looks a lot better. Now, as you can see, as soon as we click on the text field, we are focused inside the form. It's important to know that the properties, when focused, are different here. So there is a property called focused border that's used for changing the properties of the form while focused. Let's go ahead and write outline input border. Then inside the brackets, give it a border side of border side. Right now, I am going to give it a color of colors.teal accent. And here we've resolved the issue of color consistency, which we had in the enabled border section. Let's go ahead and provide the width. By default, the value would be 1, so let's give it a value of 2. The reason I put 2 is actually because the teal accent color is a bit light, so we need to make it a bit thicker to be noticed properly. Once we're done here, we can go a step further and add border radius that accepts border radius.o and give it a value of radius.circular. Let's set the value to 15.0. Now, after this, we can give it a hint text. So, let's write something like, please enter your first name within quotes. Give it a comma here. Go ahead and tap into the hint style property. Here, I am going to write Google Fonts.Poppins and give it a font size of 14. Reload it. Wait a second. And here it is. Well, now, when we click on the text field in order to enter some data, the color of the border changes. Amazing! The next thing which I am going to do is wrap this sized box with column. And inside the children, I am going to call the sans widget that expects a text. So let me give it a text that is first name within quotes. We also need to give it a size of, for example, 16.0 followed by a comma. Now reload the app and see how far we have gone. Yeah, it looks like we should change the alignment and give some space between the text field and the heading text. So let's go ahead and create a sized box over here and give it a height of 5. Of course, you cannot forget about a comma. Then, in the cross-axis alignment, give it a cross-axis alignment dot start. Cool, we can reload it. And now that the first name text changed its position and there is also some padding, it looks perfect.